Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader and in this video we are taking a look at Meta stock. Guys, what an unstoppable green candle, and not just unstoppable green candle. Overall structure on Meta has been bullish and you are aware about it. I have been talking that to you guys for quite some time now that pullbacks are a buy, and I have been providing these levels. And then take partial profits in the extensions. Even on this green candle, take partial profits in the extensions. It though Meta, the way it has broken out to new all-time highs, this thing can continue higher as well. In this video, we'll talk about what are the new levels to watch, what is to expect from the price action, and all in all, like how this thing can continue higher and evolve. How any position that needs to be taken, that could be taken. But if you would have taken positions down here on the swing side or even in the pullbacks and intraday, I'll show you my bots as well in just a second. I mean, you are already in a lot of money, right? The way to trade it is buy in the pullbacks with the stop loss on the other side and take partial profits in the extensions. You don't have to be perfect with these buys in the pullbacks. You don't have to be perfect in the profits in the extensions, but you have to trade the structure. As long as structure is bullish, pullbacks are a buy, take profits in the extensions, right? So now that's the premises going into this video, and all in all, structure is still bullish. Let's take a look at going into next week, what are the levels to watch and how all in all the price action is looking like, right? So with that, guys, if you find my videos valuable and helpful, please also hit the like and subscribe. It helps a lot. And also please remember, none of this is any financial advice and it's only for education purposes. I will take you over a couple of articles as well that we have on Meta. But right before that, I want to show you my day trading bot as well on Meta. So you can see we have been really nice profitable on Meta, guys. I mean, you can see the last 30 trades of data on the table down here, and wow, we are lot of green I'm seeing there, right? And also the net last 30 trades have been also very profitable. Now, if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. I have 2 bots and 2 indicators, all right? Use them at your own risk. I only provide them under educational context. They're red days as well. It's all about being net profitable, and we are by a factor of a lot, net profitable, all right? Anyways, links are in the description below. All right, so let's get back to the daily interval and let's start from there, right? So guys, here's the thing. We are bullish, all right? New all-time highs. Now at this point, any pullback to the level of 531 and 43 cents is going to just be a pullback. Sorry, 23 cents. 531 and 23 cents is still a good support on Meta. Even if we do a pullback down to 523 and 52 cents, that's also just eventually going to be a pullback. This thing is still very bullish. We have higher pivots here, higher lows, higher highs. We are marking another higher high. Structure is bullish even if pullback comes, all right? So with that, let's go to the hourly interval. I want to go over a couple of articles as well real quick on this thing. It's not complicated to trade, all right? And yeah, on hourly interval, guys, yeah, it's the same thing. You are watching 20 hours moving average. You can see clearly that trend line that I provided you on these intraday pivots. I said that as long as we hold this, it's just a bullish play. And you can see precisely to that trend line that I provided you, the spike that came, it hit that trend line and boom, to the moon, guys, right? So yeah, Meta is still bullish, guys. If pullback has to come, you are then watching potential buys again on intraday level, 531 and 42 cents and 523 and 69 cents. For a couple of days, any pullbacks that comes on Meta is just a buy, guys. Intraday trade, swing trade, whatever you want to do, have a stop loss on the other side. But yes, it's bullish and structure is full on bullish, not complicated. It's very simple to trade, all right? Now, what I want to go over is some of the articles that we have on Meta here. And so it just, it just talks about what all in summary has been going on with Meta, right? I'm not worried about insiders selling. I know Mark Zuckerberg keeps selling all the time. All right, and he keeps getting options as well all the time. So Meta, Meta has introduced a new approach to artificial intelligence by releasing pre-trained models that utilize a novel multi-token prediction method. This new technique, detailed in a Meta research paper in April, represents a significant departure from traditional methods of training large language models to predict the next word in a sequence, VentureBeat reports. Meta's approach trains models to forecast multiple future words simultaneously, enhancing performance and drastically reducing training times. Meta's models may achieve a more nuanced understanding of language structure and context by predicting multiple tokens simultaneously. This could significantly improve various tasks such as code generation and creative writing. Meta has released these models under a non-commercial research license on Hugging Face. Separate reports indicate Meta plans to incorporate more generative AI technology into its virtual reality, augmented reality, and mixed reality games to boost its metaverse strategy. The company aims to develop new consumer experiences with innovative gameplay driven by generative AI. So all in all, in summary, they are bringing a next phase of the LLMs and AI, however you want to put it, and also Meta's thread has grown to over 175 million monthly users, rapidly catching up to Elon Musk's ex, formerly Twitter. Now, I mean, I'm not a big user of Twitter, nor I'm a big user of Thread, but anyways, that's some of the summary we have on Meta. Is this a price mover? Well, not necessarily, but it just, I would say technicals have been really looking great on Meta. We have been talking about it, these pullbacks, these pivots, we are bullish. And, guys, it's technically going through that, the bullish technicals. And yeah, we are at new all-time highs at this point. I am surprised that we don't have, price targets come out and really like going up and up. So, yeah, that's surprising because it usually happens when we break to new all-time highs. There are usually new price targets that comes as well. But anyways, give you the price action, some articles that I wanted to cover. But yeah, all in all, just watch those levels that I provided. And this thing is just a buy, in my opinion, for a couple of days. Pullbacks are just a buy. Structure will hold. You will have a stop loss regardless, but you are watching consolidation, double bottoms, price action of support at these significant levels, and anything on the other side of the structure, you would have your stop loss. But Meta, in my opinion, for a couple of more days into pullbacks is, will be bought back up. Just my opinion, nothing is guaranteed here. And if you need access to my tools, guys, that I showed you, my bots, my indicators, everything that you see on my videos, links to my tools are in the description below of this video. All right, with that, I'll see you in the next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.